Good morning, students. So today we study the 2.12, that is the birth control. Birth control म्हणजे जन्म नियंत्रण. Okay. So here that is the birth control means to prevent the fertilization process with the help of use of contraceptives. Okay. The fertilization which can be prevented by the use of contraceptive, it is called as the birth control. Here that is the such a contraceptive methods which are used to prevent the unwanted pregnancy, म्हणजे नको असलेली गर्भधारणा टाळली जाते. So here that is there are the two methods are there which are used as contraceptive methods. These are the temporary methods and permanent methods. So here that is the first one we study, that is the temporary method is there. Temporary method, in that there are the different types are there. First one, natural method or safe period or the rhythm period. So natural method means that is the here in that avoid the chances of fertilization a week before and a week after the menstrual bleeding. Okay, week before the menstruation and week after the menstruation. So here such a period is the safe period. There is no fertilization takes place in such a safe period, and it can be considered with the help of the ovulation takes place 14 days of the menstrual cycle. Okay, म्हणजे 14व्या दिवशी पाळीच्या ओव्युलेशन होतं आणि त्याच 2-3 दिवसामध्ये फर्टिलायझेशन होण्याची शक्यता असते. म्हणजे दॅट इज द अ वीक बिफोर अँड अ वीक आफ्टर द मेन्स्ट्रुएशन. इट इज द नॅचरल सेफ पिरियड. It is the contraceptive, temporary contraceptive method. Second one, coitus interruptus or the withdrawal. So it is also the natural method which can be used by the male partner. Next one, lactational amenorrhea. The lactational amenorrhea means that is the feeding the baby. It is the lactational process. So here that is the ovulation does not takes place during such a period. That is lactational amenorrhea means ovulation doesn't takes place in such a period. So here that is the following parturition, म्हणजे डिलिव्हरी झाल्यानंतर जर बाळाला दूध पाजलं जात असेल भरपूर, त्या कालावधीमध्ये प्रेग्नन्सी राहण्याची शक्यता कमी असते. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज लॅक्टेशनल ॲम्निओरिया. सो हिअर दॅट इज द इफ द चाइल्ड फुल्ली ब्रेस्ट फिडिंग as long term as there is the least chances of the pregnancy or chances are negligible. So it is called as lactational amenorrhea. Next one, chemical mean. So here chemical means spermicides. आता chemical means spermicides. Spermicide म्हणजे स्पर्मना मारून टाकणारे. So here that is the chemicals which are used like foam, tablets, jellies, cream. These are used by the female partner and during the sexual intercourse. So here such a that is the chemicals which are introduced into the vagina, and these chemicals immobilize and kill the sperm. So it is called as spermicides are there. But it sometimes it can causing the allergic reaction, or that is the has sometimes it has the chances of the failure. म्हणजे काय होतं की हे जे केमिकल्स आहेत ती व्हजायनामध्ये बिफोर सेक्शुअल इंटरकोर्सच्या आधी ठेवली जातात आणि त्याच्यामुळे ती स्पर्मला इमोबिलाइज करतात, म्हणजे त्याची हालचाल थांबवतात आणि मारून टाकतात, म्हणून त्यांना म्हणतो स्पर्मिसाइड्स. नेक्स्ट वन दॅट इज द मेकॅनिकल मीन्स. मेकॅनिकल मीन्स म्हणजे काही यंत्र जे असतात यांत्रिक त्याच्या मदतीने. सो फर्स्ट वन कंडोम. सो इट इज दॅट इज द यूज्ड बाय द मेल पार्टनर and it is the effective method which can be used to prevent the conception. So here that is the such a method which can be used to protect against the different diseases like to that of the sexually transmitted diseases, AIDS, which can be controlled by using the condom is there. Next one, diaphragm, cervical cap or maybe called as vaults. Cervical cap म्हणजे गर्भाशयामध्ये बसवण्याच्या कॅप्स असतात ते. So such a that is the devices which can be used by the female partner, and they are made up of rubber are there. So because of using prevent the conception and entry of the sperm which can be blocking through the cervix. So device inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during copulation. आता हे डायफ्रॅम असेल किंवा सर्वायकल कॅप असेल, दे आर दॅट इज द फिटेड इंटू द फिमेल सर्विक्स, म्हणजे गर्भाशयाच्या मुखाच्या ठिकाणी काय केले जातात ते फिक्स केले जातात त्या ठिकाणी. ओके, इन द फिमेल पार्टनर. अँड हे रबरापासून बनलेले असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय केलं जातं की ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ द स्पर्म, त्या स्पर्मचं जो जाणं आहे गर्भाशयापर्यंत पोचणं आहे ते ब्लॉक केलं जातं, अडवलं जातं. नेक्स्ट वन इंट्रायुटेराईन डिव्हायसेस, दॅट इज IUDs. IUI म्हणण्यापेक्षा इथे म्हणूया IUDs, इंट्रायुटेराईन devices are there. Intrauterine devices, so it is causing, that is loop, copper T, okay, the hormone releasing IUDs, so they are fitted into the female reproductive tract. So here lips loop, these are the here such a plastic double S shape ring which can be there, lips loop is there. Okay, next one, that is the copper T which can be inserted into the such a uterus is there and to prevent the conception. Also, that is the next one, such a hormone related, some of the metal instrument which are related to the hormones releasing are there, hormone releasing IUDs inserted into the uterus and they are unsuitable for implantation. And cervix which can be there are sperms which are not enter into the cervix are there. So these are the IUDs. काही साहित्य असतात ती वापरली जातात. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण बघितलं लिप्स लूप, कॉपर टी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, दॅट इज द फिजिओलॉजिकल मीन्स ओरल डिव्हायसेस. आता ओरल डिव्हायसेस काय आहेत? सच ओरल डिव्हायसेस आर कॉल्ड एज, दॅट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टॅबलेट्स कॉल्ड एज पिल्स, आपण गोळ्या म्हणतो. दॅट इज द फिजिओलॉजिकल ओरल डिव्हायसेस, दॅट इज द पिल्स आर देअर. So here these pills, oral pills which are used by the female partner is there and they inhibit the ovulation. That's why no eggs which are released from the ovary of the female using this pill. Okay, and conception not occur. म्हणजे या ओव्हरीमधून ते एग रिलीज होणार नाही त्या काळामध्ये आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार, कन्सेप्शन होणार नाही or prevent the entry of the sperm. Sometimes the pills have side effects are there like the weight gain, tenderness, that is the in case of the nausea. Okay, so here that is the government which can be, that is the advertise different tablets are there, that is the Saheli tablets or that is the different tablets which can be used for the, that is the to prevent the conceptions are there. Next one, other contraceptives. Other contraceptives, that is the here, that is this contraceptive, that is birth control implant. Other contraceptives used by the female is there. Okay, so a tiny thin rod is there and like to that of the matchstick size. Other contraceptive मध्ये काय येणार तर काड्यापेटीच्या काडी एवढी काय असते त्याची साईज असते and which can be inserted into the